How many different types of T-Track do you have in your workshop? And how many different shapes and sizes of hardware do you need for it? Well, all that's about to change. Say hello to the newest addition to the MATCHFIT line, MATCHFIT Dovetail Hardware. Another true innovation for MICROJIG. On average, T-Track costs about $7 per foot and uses all sorts of different hardware. MATCHFIT Dovetail Hardware uses one standard profile, same as our dovetail clamps, allowing you to create your own tracks with any standard half-inch, 14-degree dovetail router bit. It gives you all the functionality and versatility of T-Track accessories at a fraction of the cost and without mixing and matching hardware. The MATCHFIT Dovetail Hardware's low-profile design secures your material without getting in the way. They come in a variety of configurations. 1-inch long with round knobs, 1.5-inch long with wing knobs for more torque, and female, allowing you to use any length screw for flat surfaces. Join the thousands of woodworkers who are already working smarter with the MATCHFIT system. MATCHFIT Dovetail Hardware is made right here in the USA. It's backed by our extended 3-year warranty and 100% satisfaction guarantee. Add to your cart and work smarter today with the MATCHFIT Dovetail Hardware. MICROJIG. Work safer, work smarter.